So continue shift number 10. House or room that does not require mezuzah, unless it contains an area of 4 amos by 4 amos. So basically 8 by 8 feet, approximately, a little less. Okay, so commentaries say 4 by 4 amos between 39.7 and 57.4 square feet. Okay, see Kitzur, appendix to Kitzur and Torah glosses regarding the room that does not have the required size to require mezuzah, but which opens to a larger room. So the small room, smaller than this size, but opens into a larger room. Okay. So also Igras Moshe Yeravdeya, where Rabbi Moshe Feinstein, the Tzal writes that in such a case, a smaller room is exempt. Okay, so basically the case if a smaller room, so all of the like bigger closets, like walk-in closets. I mean, we don't have such a closet, but somebody who lives in a bigger house, so they would have a walk-in closet that would require mezuzah. Okay. So the case we just discussed is when small room opens up to a bigger room. I'm not sure if I ever seen like such a tiny room that opens to the bigger room. Not sure. Okay. But Rav Moshe Feinstein said it does not require, which is straightforward. Okay. If it does not contain a square of 4 amos by 4 amos, okay, but it contains an area that is equivalent to 4 amos by 4 amos. There is 16 square amos. For example, the length was greater than the width. Okay. Commentary. It was rectangular, a room measuring 2 amos by 8 amos. Although one cannot fit a square of 4 amos by 4 amos into this room, its area does equal to the area of 4 amos by 4 amos, which is 16 amos. Okay. So continue. Or if it were a circular, a room containing an area equal to 16 amos. Some say that it requires a mezuzah, and some say it is exempt from requirement. See end of CF 11, so we're going to get to it. What to do in such a case? Okay, so basically, as we said last time, in all of the questionable cases, so if there is possibility that it needs a mezuzah, so you just do mezuzah without blessing. So make sure, for example, you need to fix another mezuzah. So you say on one, on this you do not say. So and even if you if this is the only mezuzah that you need to hang, and you're not sure, there is nobody to ask and no expert, so you can always do mezuzah without the blessing, basically. If you have if you think that it might need. Okay. So all right. So basically, we said one more time just to summarize. 4 amos. So if it's for 16 amos room, so you would need you would need a mezuzah. So I would say just say to understand simply, if you can fit a bed, if you can sleep there. So in the walk-in closets, in many of them, you can fit a bed. There is no problem. So you can sleep there if needed. Okay. So and a bed usually I'm not sure, maybe 7 feet or so. 6.5, 7 feet, depends, right? So okay, so it's approximately plus minus. So it would be 2 sizes of the bed, let's say regular bed, and here we go, 16 hours plus minus. Okay.